This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Diane Waldron. This home won't last long. An exceptional 3-bedroom/2-bath/2-car home situated on one of the plantation's beautiful larger lakes. An open floor plan, with diagonal tile, and extends to your screen lanai with electric storm screen for evening shade. This magnificent home is full of upgrades. Featuring a gourmet kitchen, upgraded granite and backsplash, top-of-the-line cabinets and stainless steel appliances, large pantry and sliders to lanai from dinette. The master suite with large walk-in his and her closets, bath with separate shower and tub, dual sinks and upgraded cabinets and countertops. This wonderfully maintained home is hurricane protected with electric and manual shutters. Other features include finished utility room. Crown molding throughout, 10-foot ceilings, 8-foot door, surround sound, central vac, deep closets in bedrooms 2 and 3, new water heater, and newly painted exterior. The plantation is an active community, with clubhouse and patio restaurants, amenity center with resort-style pool/spa, Herds and Fry Championship 18-hole golf course, 6 tennis courts, pickleball, billiards and fitness center. Golf memberships available, though not required. A great location near I-75, Gulf Coast Mall, restaurants, RSW and beaches. For more information, review the details below.